Hello everyone, friends, with you today. We are together in this list. As you can see, we start our analysis via TradingView. This is my first or my videos with English content. I will withdraw for Nasdaq 100 and S&P 5 stocks in American markets. If you like my videos, comment below. If you give any ideas, thank you very much and has a bad eye in the cessport of the village, France. If we draw the falling trend line like this, it can reach 121, 122 levels very easily. I think it has not touched the 200-day moving average here, but he passed too close. Likewise, 112.88 is an important support level. Let's draw it immediately. That's heading like this. There is a triangle formation. There is a triangle formation, as you can see, around 112 can be supported. I can comment with you moving environments quickly, rising towards price movements, approximately all around 116 and 115. If we look at in millimeters like this, there may be a high probability of making of difficult backward movements, that is crossing the trend line. It will be repressed again. Don't forget to pay attention to this. There is no such thing as a return at 122. Maybe it can be 125. Approximately like this, there's a possibility that they will be here. We will check them with you in the coming days. We examine NVDA stock like this. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. See